तो जैसे मैंने कहा था आपको लास्ट फ्यू डेज से कहते जा रहा हूँ कि 90 रुपीज़ टू अ डॉलर एक काफ़ी ख़तरनाक साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल है, और जैसे ये क्रॉस करेगा उस दिन काफ़ी सेलिंग आ सकती है। आज आपने एक देखा कि डॉलर 90 रुपीज़ टू अ डॉलर हो गया, क्रॉस कर दिया, 90.10 पे क्लोज हुआ, और ये एक साइकोलॉजिकल लेवल था जिसको क्रॉस करते आपने देखा सेलिंग बढ़ गई। क्योंकि अगर आप इमेजिन करिए, आप फॉरेन इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर है, FII है, आप जहाँ इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं वो करेंसी जो गिर रही है, तो आपको एक तो प्रॉफिट तो हो नहीं रहा है, ऊपर से आपकी करेंसी डिप्रिशिएट हो रही है, तो नेचुरली ये FII सेलिंग बढ़ जाती है। बट दिस कुड बी वन वे ऑफ टैकलिंग द tariff issue. If you allow the currency to depreciate, then your goods become less expensive in the eyes of the foreign consumer and the exports get a lift. So that is one thing which is good, but it's not good from the point of view the overall there could be more imported inflation. Oil that you import will become more expensive, gold will become more expensive, and plus it is not very good from the investor point of view because the FIIs will withdraw more money. So friends, that's how it is, and RBI is running a very tight rope. They have to decide what they want to do now. If they cut interest rates, which most people want them to do, then that will have a problem of further depreciating the rupee, right? The currency will fall further. On the other hand, if they keep the interest rates unchanged, then that may help the currency, but the problem is that the exports will become more expensive, particularly as the tariff situation is not yet resolved, and it is just a little while away, but as of today it's not there. So just wait, hang in there. We'll be telling you when exactly all this whole thing is going to resolve, and the psychological level of 90 rupees having been breached has caused this selling. I think the RBI policy is going to tell you a lot of the mind of the Indian government as to where this is headed. Don't be so circumspect. There are some good days also coming in very soon. That much I can assure you. Positivity also for the markets. To get to know more, do join our Premium Plus, which gives you 10 to 12 days predictions in advance and good multi-baggers. Number to get in touch, you may WhatsApp us on 982-086-1044. Happy investing. Take care. Bye-bye.